Long story short, right after my application, in a certain period of time, I got a call saying that you're the top 40 candidates, and we would like you to come to pitch to the United States, to San Francisco. Boss, I went from Raigada to Kota to Mission District in San Francisco. So it was a culture shock of a completely different proportion. And it was 2 or 3 days before the Pride Parade in San Francisco, which happens around the area. So I just learned something completely different in the city, and met so many different people, learned so many new things in the city. But it was the first time I got on, and in any international flight, I used my passport for the first time. A complete, I feel, I'm very thankful to the Thier Fellowship for that. So anyway, I was, again, I thought, 40 में आ गए. It's my first and last time I've come to the US. So I wrote 200 cold emails to people saying that मैं US पहली बार आया हूँ और आखिरी बार आया हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा थियर फेलोशिप में तो होना नहीं है. इन्होंने मुझे बुला लिया टॉप 40 में, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I'm very thankful for that. But आप क्या मुझे अपनी शहर देखने दोगे? So for example, God bless his soul, Tony Hsieh, who started Zappos, मैंने उनकी बुक पढ़ी हुई थी. तो मैंने उन्हें कोल्ड ईमेल लिखा. He hosted me at Vegas at his apartment.
Wow.
Right. And he also, of course, his team gave me a tour of the Zappos office. All of this as an 18-year-old was fascinating to me. But all of this was just hustle, right? Just saying that US is the first and last time I've come. Because अपने life में
okay, exact क्या email था? I want to know that email. Email में क्या लिखा था? Because it's a very important lesson for everybody.
No, I think सबसे पहले तो and I'll tell you how I found out कि ऐसे emails लिख सकते हैं. So when I was starting the company, I used to like full-time employee तो मैं afford कर नहीं सकते थे. तो हमारे सिर्फ interns होते थे साथ में. तो मैं इंटर्न्स को पूछा था कि तुमने कैसे अप्लाई किया हमारी कंपनी में. सो कहते थे हमने 200 लोगों को ईमेल किया, आप एक ही जने ने जवाब दिया, तो हम आके जुड़ गए आपके साथ में. तो मैंने सोचा दिस आई शुड आल्सो अप्लाई. आई शुड आल्सो लाइक, मैंने सोचा कि मुझे अगर यूएस में 2 एंटरप्रेन्योर से मिलना है, मैं 200 को लिखता हूं, उनमें से 2 तो होंगे जो कहेंगे कि चलो मिल लेते हैं, बाकी 198 ज्यादा से ज्यादा मना कर देंगे, रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे. हमें तो ऐसी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, तो ट्राई करते हैं. सो द ईमेल सेड, डियर टोनी, I'm Ritesh. I have started this company which is trying to provide accommodation for people here in India. I'm very early in the game, so I don't have any big business or anything. I'm very thankful that the Thiel Fellowship Foundation have invited me for top 40 candidates, and I have put my best effort for the pitch. And I will try and make it when I'm landing there. It doesn't matter whether I become a fellow or don't become a fellow, but it's probably an unique opportunity for me to see United States. I've heard a lot about the country. I'm excited about solving problems in India only, but I want to see US. And I've heard a lot about Vegas and your work in Vegas downtown. He donated almost hundreds of millions of dollars to upgrade the Vegas downtown. So can you please, let me come to Vegas? I have no money to come to Vegas or stay there. So it would be very nice of you if you can help me with it. So it's like this, like most people didn't respond. So to be fair, but Tony Hsieh, and God bless his soul, he departed from the world last year. But he responded saying that sure, I'll have our team look at it. And it was fascinating to me that that happened. So I think. And this is not just something I did for this, right? Like even for reaching out to investors, for employees, मैं हर जगह 200 email लिखता था तो 5 लोग respond करते. Because life is hard, right? Like I didn't come from a college where I could reach out to my ex-colleagues,